Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun. Here learning is always fun. Today in the series of grammar guide, we will learn to make positive and negative sentence using the be form of the verb, that is am, is and are in the present tense. This plus stand for positive sentences and this minus stand for negative sentences. In positive sentences, we will use the be form of verb in present tense, that is am, is and are. And in negative sentence, we will use am not, isn't and aren't. Here am is used when the subject is I, first person singular. Is used when the subject is singular. Are is used when the subject is plural. First sentence, it dash an onion. Positive sentence, it singular, so it is. Jasmine dash a student. Minus is there, Jasmine singular, so isn't. Whether it's a male or female, it doesn't matter. With singular subject, you will use is. We, plural, are. We are friends. I dash hungry, but minus is there, that's why negative. I am not hungry. Mark dash 20 years old, positive, Mark singular, so is. A bee dash a big insect, minus, so bee isn't. Isn't means is not. Newsweek dash a magazine, positive, so Newsweek, name of a magazine, singular, is. I, minus means negative, so I am not a professional football player. Number 9, I know you. You dash in my class. Positive. With you, we always use plural verb, that is you are. You are in my class. Cows dash insects. First minus, then plus means first negative. Cows plural, that's why cow aren't. Cows aren't insects, they are, positive, mammals. Izmir dash a city, positive, so is singular. He singular, he is a postman. It dash 9 o'clock, positive, it is. Manhattan, minus means negative, Manhattan isn't an island. Mr. Richards singular, that is. Mr. Richards is a lawyer. I dash ill, first positive, then negative. So with I, we'll use the helping verb am. I am ill. I am not happy. Negative. London dash a big city. London is a big city. Dave and Adrian, plural, that's why are, but first negative, so aren't. Dave and Adrian aren't sisters, they are brothers. New York, positive, singular, New York is. Suzanne and I, two persons, plural subject, but minus, so I are not. Here we will not use am because with I, Suzanne is there, that's why it is a plural subject. If only I has been there, then you would have used am. We are students.